Hello, so for Christmas I got a weighted blanket, which is absolutely lovely and is on my bed at the moment and I love it a lot. However, there was also something about it that really excited me when it probably shouldn't have, and that was the packaging. It came in this see-through bag. Now, if you're familiar with Itabags, as I am, because they make me very happy, you would know that sometimes people make Itabags that are full of plushies. And I thought, oh my god, that's exactly what I can do with this. And yeah, that's what I'm going to do, and I'm going to film it because that's content. I also got this random little clear plastic pouch that had a pair of hair cutting scissors in, and I thought, that's perfect for something as well, and I could totally attach it to this. Like that, a little keyring. Can you see me? Hello. So I'm gonna put these in, I think, and also these two ones as well. If you haven't seen my Nesoberis video, go watch it because I talk about these in a little bit more detail and then I rank them because that's what you do on YouTube apparently. So that's not very many though, so I'm not quite sure what else to put in. I think it would be have to be Nozomi central. Also in my shrine I have these cushion straps which I haven't been able to do anything with because I don't want to get them dirty. Yeah, so I figured they could go in the little pouch, which would be somewhat interesting. I don't know if I'm even on frame, so I'm just sort of ducking down like this. So yeah, I'm going to take these all out of their plastic prison, and then we're going to put them in the bag. How gorgeous she is. I don't think I've... Oh, she's so cute. It opens at the front like this. Boop, boop. And it also has this little pouch here, it's like that, which I think I could basically use to turn this into a normal Itabag as well. I also have a lot of Rico straps as well. I have a lot of Rico straps, but they're all just sort of in there at the moment because I don't have a bag for them. So I might also make this into a Rico Itabag as well, which I would really like to do because I have so many of them and they're just not on display. And Rico is, you know, a good girl. People say she's boring, but yeah. I have no defence. I've got to be really careful with these. Just a little bit careful. Because they have tags and I don't want to ruin them. This is a lot more difficult to do it like this so you guys can see it. Oh my god. Oh. I did this earlier and I didn't have trouble. Sorry guys. They're all immediately gonna fall like, no! Oh god. These somehow worked better with the plastic in there. I'm so sorry. I think I may have done it. I think. I don't know. Oh god. This didn't work out very well. It worked a lot better earlier when I did it without taking the plastic off because there was more bulk in there to stop them falling over. Okay. Do you think maybe I could add a Rico in there? Because I also have this lovely Rico. I didn't get the ruby one because I don't like her outfit. But this is gorgeous. Okay. Maybe I should have got the ruby one now because this is just going to be a random bag with a Rico. Okay, there you go. Get in there. Stop complaining. Stop complaining. Oh my god. that is much better. Oh my god. They are so much more secure with another plushie in there. Oh, the back's really cute as well. Look at their little hair. It's so cute. Okay, I'm much more happy with that now. Okay. Oh, this is going to look cute on display as well. I could take that to a convention, that sort of. You know, I do keep all my plushies in plastic because I worry about them getting dusty or mouldy or dirty, and I don't take them to conventions because I don't want to lose them or get food on them because I'm really clumsy and really messy, and I just, yeah, I don't want that happening to something that I can't really wash properly. So, yeah, this would be a great way to just kind of take them to a convention, and it definitely says something, I think. Anyway, onto the little pouch. Yeah, I have these little things. Pillow straps, and they're really cute. This one has the aquarium outfit. I can't remember the name of the song in full, so you're just aquarium, you know what I mean. This one has the Mirai ticket one, and this one has the Azora jumping heart one. So yeah, I'm gonna put the Mirai ticket one at the bottom because it's the most cursed. When I say cursed, I mean her face is distorted. I'm slightly concerned I won't actually fit these all in here now. Always squish them in. She doesn't have a label unlike the others. Okay. Ta-da! The ruby bag. It's literally, the button is directly over her eye. I feel slightly bad. She is so squished. I'm so sorry. That's better. Less squished on the back now. Oh, that's so cute. I can really attach. I could attach that to my ruby bag as well. Yes. Yeah, just random plastic You could even use pencil cases to do things like this. I just think it keeps them really secure, and it's just a really nice little touch, to be honest. Like I said, I am clumsy. I've returned with a safety pin and my Plushy Itabag. This is literally my favourite one that I've made. It's just, you know, I have so much ruby stuff, and it's really compact and just colourful, and I love it. I need to sort these out because they don't like to stay in place, but yes, I'm so happy with it, and this is an absolutely fantastic addition. Oh, this is really not secure using a safety pin, but I don't have anything else at the moment. I might tie it securely with like some ribbon or something. But oh, isn't that adorable? Oh, I'm so glad to finally have incorporated these little plushies, cushions, whatever, into this Eater bag, because I wanted to do that originally, but there's just not room. And, you know, I don't want to damage them, so... You know my ruby socks there? I'm now thinking I might try and find another pouch, because they would fit in pretty well. And I would actually love to have them on display too. This is supposed to be about Plushy Itabag, and I'm here just like, oh my god, I could update my ruby stuff. But, yeah, as I should. She's the best girl. Yeah, this is how I'm wearing it now. Pretty secure. I am pleased about that. You know what else would fit in? I can't remember quite what this is called, but it's going in the bag. It's going in. Right there at the bottom. There it is. Look at it. It's a little bean. It's so cute. Oh, I'm so glad I've managed to figure this out. Thank you for watching. I hope this has at least been entertaining. I know it's not exactly the most useful tutorial or anything. It was just kind of watching me make something that's really simple to make, but something that I've always wanted to do and that I'm really excited about. You know, if this was a tool that gave you some if this at all gave you some new ideas or inspired you to do something, that's a win for me. And if it made you laugh, that's also a win for me as well. And a win for you. Just, you know, just put a smile on my face. I hope we can put a smile on your face. That would be nice. Yeah. Thank you for watching. I must now go and show some people this because I'm really happy with it and I think it's really cute. And I'm so glad I've made a little update to this. Bye bye!